Hi, I'm Marta, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I've been waiting a long time to bring you these unboxings. These two packages the other day, what was it, 3 days ago, were marked delivered. They were not. I was panicked. I mean, just panicked, because I had a doll from AliExpress not too long ago marked delivered that did not come. So I contacted AliExpress and they never did anything about it. They kept saying, well, we need a picture. Of what? My empty mailbox? And that's what I'm sending them next time. So Darren wanted me to wait. Oh, it'll come, it'll come, it'll come. Okay. Because the other doll actually did come like 2 weeks later. But look at this. That's the address. It's just torn, and I hope that everything's in here, and I'm iffy because look at this. It's just shredded. Absolutely shredded. Look at that. That's how it came. So how did this get here? Our neighbor brought it by. Ours is, our last two digits are 08. Theirs is 06. I'm sure it was just a miss. She didn't see it right. I hope this works. Here we go. Oh my God, is that cute? It's a little, got a little dirty, but oh God, it's so cute. There are some challenges coming up about rain. One is with J Doll UK and I, with the Dolls Gone Goth. We're doing one thunderstorms in April. All right, let's see. Oh, there's another one in here. How this didn't fall out. So our neighbor came over and he's like, oh, it was like that. And Darren's like, yeah, this, my wife orders from a China company, and a lot of them look like they just take it outside their door and drop kick it to the United States. Oh, cool. All right, I bought this for my Blythe doll, of course. Oh, I hate these bags. I can never find the ends of them. I don't reuse these. I reuse anything with a Ziploc. These are just not good. I really like the Made to Move Barbie tie-dye outfit. Ooh, that's a little wide, isn't it? That'd probably fit up, but these won't. What are they called? Curvy Barbie. But I thought that was cute. Now that I see it in person, though, it's more clowny, which is okay. I have some clown Blythe dolls. This is what I have been waiting for and walking the floor. Oh my God, look at that.
Not the worst we've seen.
No, heavens no. We've seen much worse, and the dolls were fine. Let's open this, because this, I panicked too, because this was a big order. I mean, not just a couple things. Okay, I might be missing some stuff, because I thought it was bigger than this, but let's get in here and see. I ordered some Jean doll shoes. Here we go, cool. Let's take a look at these. I'd show them to you on my Jean doll, but my Jean doll is busy. We are working on an outfit for her, and she has it pinned to her, so I'm not going to. Oh, see, I ordered these. Aren't these the cutest? Let me show them to you sideways so you can see the little straps. Oh, I love these. I got these for the Flapper doll collab, and they did not come on time. This I'm going to save for my shoes right there. I was surprised to find Jean doll shoes on AliExpress, but I did, and they were not too expensive. They weren't real cheap, but as far as doll shoes and Jean doll shoes, it was a pretty good deal. Look at these. Oh gosh, these are so cute. Jean dolls are fashion dolls, high-end fashion. And they're from the 90s, the 1990s. They are put out by Ashton Drake. And they show high fashion from the 30s, 40s, and 50s. So look at these shoes. Oh my God, those are for some fancy 40 and 50 shoes. And then I got some more classic black. I plan to do some sewing and designing for my, isn't that fancy? Like I can. for my Jean doll. So I was excited to find those shoes. All right, let's see what else I got, and then later I'll go look at the list to see if I make sure I got everything. That orange, that's got some, you know what it is? We live on a gravel road, and that got gravel dust on it. That's all right. I'm just so glad it's here. So glad it is here. And I got these for our 1/3 dolls that we have not finished, but will at some point. Those are really cute, but I thought I was getting those in Blythe size. All right, let's open the dolls. At my house, it always comes back to Blythe. I love dolls. I love all dolls, but I have stopped buying so many dolls, and I know it doesn't look like it. My husband doesn't think so. I have stopped buying just any dolls. I stop and ask myself, what are you doing with them? And what will you do with it after you unbox it? Will you just put it on a shelf, or is it for a collab, or what are you doing? And the Rainbow High dolls, I like just on a shelf, some of them, and I do sew for some. But the Blythe dolls, I sew a lot. I do a lot of collabs. This doll is for a collab. Oh, I'm so glad they're here. I really sweated this. And I have started getting an extra one each time, well, not each time, but several times when I order. All right, I will get these girls out and we will check their eyes. But let's go ahead and tell you about this and open her up. I had, like I'm sure many of you, the little Chubby Blythe in my AliExpress cart when they had them on AliExpress. And I kept putting it off because, quite frankly, they were more expensive, harder to sew for, but the big thing was they did not have articulation, and they were more expensive than the more fit and high fashion bodied Blythe dolls. And so I didn't buy it, and I didn't buy it, and I didn't buy it, and all of a sudden they weren't in my cart anymore. I didn't pay that close of attention. Well, when I finally decided to get one, they can't be found. I mean, they are like gone. So that made me want one more. And then I started looking at them on YouTube. So I'd see people sewing for them. I was like, oh yeah, I really do want one. They have gone up in price. They went up, how much more? Another third or another fifth after I bought mine. And I bought a Chubby Blythe that I had to get from Spain on eBay. The price has gone up again. Oh, she looks bigger. She's not, I guess. Well, she is a little bigger. Huh. She is bigger. And I went ahead and I bought a pattern for her from Etsy. And I got one that had a dress that was kind of a, oh, her head seems loose. I'm not going to like that. We're going to look at that closely because I paid too much for that. I will contact the seller. Oh, she's cute though. She's very, very cute. They are bigger. I did not know that. We're going to take a look at this head. It's a little loose. But is it because it's posable, or we're going to have to take a look at that. That's pretty loose. That's pretty loose. You barely touch it in it. Have to think about that. I'm going to contact her. But let's look at the eyes. All right. Purple, orange. I feel like I'm talking about a fruity cereal. Kind of an amber and pink. Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of a fruity cereal rather than doll eyes to me. But she's really cute. Let's see how much taller she is than the others. Darren thinks that that's a different body and not the one they were selling on AliExpress. I think it's the same one. Someone out there in the dolly world that has these dolls, let me know. She is a little taller. It did say 13 inches, and the Blythes are 12. The hair is the big thing. Look at the difference in the amount of hair on these two dolls. It is a lot of difference. This is almost twice as thick, the articulated doll. They're also articulated, where this one is not. But when you set this doll down, it's the old style body where they sit outward. Her arms go up and down, but they do not go out. And her head turns ever too easily. But she also has more of an upward look. But she's got a gut on her, kind of like I'm getting. So now I have some face-ups to do, and I'm really looking forward to it. I love these dolls. If you're thinking about buying one and you have a favorite, I would recommend you go get it, because like the Chubby Blythe, they could be gone when you finally decide. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.